Good day everyone! Here's our video presentation regarding console-based personality application built in C#. So before anything else, I am Danica Kim P. Bukad, your today's leader. Here, I will be discussing a brief system overview. So in here we can see personality-related features through three main modules, which are here. As you can see, we have a music personality test, a zodiac sign finder, and MBTI personality test. And for the project name, we call it Tri-Persona, which means three for people, different personality tests. So the system uses interactive arrow key menu, as you can see here. And we also use ASCII designs and simple logic to guide us through the feature. And also, we added a background music to improve our user experience. So to furthermore explain our project, here we have my other groupmates to explain this to you.
Good afternoon. Today I will showcase the final output of our final program in iTech 102. So let's start by playing the final program. Let's wait for it to load. And here it is. So when running the program, the user is directed directly to the main menu which we call Tri-Persona. So in this main menu, there are 4 choices, which is the music personality test, zodiac sign finder, MBTI personality test, and the exit button. So to navigate the program, we need to use as stated here, up and down arrows, and then enter to select. So for the first part, we will discuss the music personality test. So navigate using the up and down arrows, and then enter to select. So based on my personal preference, I like foreign more, so I use the navigate down button, then enter. And then my favorite artist, Bruno Mars, enter again, and then When I Was Your Man, down again, enter. And then the system calculated that I am an expressive and dramatic and passionate. So any keys to return, we will go back to the artist and then press escape to change the genre. So again, use up and down if you want to, and then OPM, bend and bend, and then cut ham easy. Then, as you can see, you are a deep thinker, emotional, and value and meaningful moments. And then that's all for the music. Just press escape and then navigate down back to the main menu. And then for the second personality test, we will use the arrows to navigate to the zodiac sign finder. I made this myself, so let's play it. And then enter. Multiple choices of zodiacs in their respective order. So I myself, as a Taurus, I will play this. Then as you can see, it's slowly printed out the icon of the Taurus, and then under it the Taurus name, and then its personalities and habits depending on the zodiac, and then just press any key to return, so it will return to the main menu. Then again, enter. If you want to choose another, let's choose Scorpio. Then again, slowly printed out the icon of the Scorpio with his personality and habits. So press any key to return again. Let us continue to the MBTI personality test. The MBTI personality test, there are only two choices among 4 questions. So from the start, I'm an introvert, so let's choose introvert. And then I prefer sensories, and then thinker for logics, and then perceiver for my feelings, and then let's go. So my MBTI is ISTP, and then resourceful thinker, and more on hands-on, adaptable, and I am cool under fire. And then let us press another, enter key to return. Again, another results. So I'll choose extrovert this time, intuitives, feelers, and judgers. So my MBTI type is ANFJ. So I am a charismatic mentor, inspiring, empathetic, and a natural reader. So let's enter again to return to the main menu. Thank you for listening to our program, which is called Dry Persona. That will be all. Thank you.
So I'm Christian Stephen Moreno. So today, I will demonstrating. So let's start with correct inputs and um, valid inputs. So as you can see, I will show you an example of correct inputs. So the code is, for example, is console that right line parenthesis double quotation, enter the user double quotation parenthesis and semicolon. So that is the correct order of using a C# correct inputs. While in the other hand, the invalid inputs will missing, for example, is semicolon, parenthesis, or quotation. So that's how it will error. So the next one is explain how the system prevent errors. So the system prevent crashes by checking input first, by handling errors safety, and guiding the user to correct mistakes. So this ensure the programs to continue how running smoothly even when invalid input is entered. So for example, yung int that parse. So yun yan. So yung int that parse. So yun yung method na ginagamit natin para to check yung whether yung user input na pwede i-convert sa number. So this help prevent common runtime errors such as format exceptions, which could occur if the user accidentally typed letters. So here, input is not a valid number, so the program can simply show a friendly message, so asking the user to try again and keep the application running. So it will be smoothly and safety. So the next one is a summary of these of implemented features. So here, so background of all our application. So main menu navigation. So here we have the personality test. We have zodiac sign, the music, MBTI, and others. So around the music personality test. So that personally I mean. So we have a genre. Under the genre we have a artist, and under the artist we have the music. Then it will execute and detect your personality prediction. So next is MBTI, or personality test. So the personality test, this exists short for questions quiz to determine user MBTI type. So it shows a description of MBTI personality type. So that's how it works. So as a ASCII, this is the centered UI, or the one that we use to convert to make them more beautiful, yeah, like that.
Here I will be discussing to you the program flow logic expression. So as we can see here, we have used a main method to display the console, and also we called for a run method which controls the entire application. So here we will be discussing key logic, structures, and algorithms used in this program. So number 1, menu navigation logic. Here, as an example, we will be having music.cs. So we can see here that we used control arrow keys to manipulate our picking. So we use console key up arrow, down arrow to increase and decrease the indexes. So in number 2, we have modular program structure. As we can see here, each features have their own different classes, which are main CS, MBTI.cs, music.cs, Zodiac. So each of these class runs to a run method. So number 3, we have music personality flow. So as we can see here, we have a nested menu which allows us to select our favorite genre, our favorite artists, and our favorite songs. So here, which results a prediction of personality. So that's the same goes for every feature. So yeah, as you can see, there's up arrow, down arrow, the nested loops, and here's the predicted results. So yeah, we use switch statements, which has a switch and a case. For example, if we use ISTJ, we will be having these results. We also, and for zodiac naman, we also use arrow keys to manipulate our speaking. We also added some features like as we can see here. As we can see here, we used a slow print effect. This is how you code slow print effect. So that. And then we also displayed ASCII designs illustrations using the websites that we will be tackling in the furthermore video. He also used right-centered that centers all text for better UI, and also use reusable functions that reduce repeated code and improve consistency. So, in overall summary, the program follows a clear loop-driven flow, uses simple conditions, arrays, and switch statements, and applies modular design to keep everything organized. This structure makes the system interactive, user-friendly, and easy to understand. In my part, I have actually I edited almost everything, including the other classes, but they have done their part. I've just polished and done a cleaner look and also a better one. So, but for my main part, here we have MBTI.cs. So the same goes for me. So I have picked a switch case statements. So whatever you may be picking through these choices, we have a loop that have a results for each of the answers you will be having. So here now, for example, ISTP. So here's the result. And I've also done the colors and the ASCII designs for each classes, like this one and also this one. I've also tried putting background music for our program so it can be improved. So that summarizes my part of the project.
Good day, sir. I am Jerome P. Basas. I placed the list or personality of description inside the switch cases so the logic kept simple. I did it for music, MBTI, CS, Zodiac, CS. Challenges. Learning C# console application from scratch. Limited hardware resources. We only have one laptop. Time pressure from schoolwork and other responsibilities. Unorganized code structure, multiple entry points classes. User experience limitation. Plain unengaging console. Possible improvements. Combine music, MBTI, and Zodiac result into one personality profile. Improve input methods, automatic Zodiac detection by date. Expand the music database, more genres, artists, and songs.